Yo, what's up? My name is Terry. Welcome to my channel. Today I decided to make a video on repairing headlights. But what I'm gonna do today is I get a lot of people asking me what do I use to fix my headlight when I'm done, like the clear that goes onto the headlights. I notice there's a lot of products out there that people uses, like Spray Max, Rapid Clear, Spray Max Use, SC, McGuire's. Those are clear headlight spray that people like to use, but I like to use the real stuff. The stuff that I gotta make to spray onto the car. The stuff I use is Hardener and Clear that I mix together. The same formula that they use when they paint a car, and then they put the clear over top. This seems to last longer to me than those chemical sprays that's in these bottles. As you can see, I'm using shop line JC630 for the clear, and for the hardener JH6370. And I have my trusted spray gun sitting over here that I will be using to spray on the chemicals with. I put tape down the middle so that you can see the before and after results. I am putting tape around the edges so that I won't scratch up the chrome or the paint with my machine. I am using 600 grit sandpaper. Some people like to use their hands to rub the sandpaper. I rather use this machine, gets the job done faster, quicker, much more smoother. I try to rub in the same pattern, the same direction, so that when I spray the clear on here, it won't stand out so bad. That's why I keep the sandpaper going in the same direction. After I use sandpaper raw, now I spray lubricant on here so that I can use the 1000 grit for lubricant, with lubricant. I use alcohol to remove the oils that's inside of the plastic, so when I put the clear on it, it'll heave to that plastic. Now let's spray the clear with the hardener in it and see what we get. As you can see, voila, crystal clear. This is why I use spraying UV back onto the headlights instead of, some people like to buff it. I think that's a jip. If you're buffing headlights and not offering the customer a clear base over it, you're dripping that customer, because they're gonna come back in 4 to 5 months because it's all back up. This is why you use clear. Trust me. Please subscribe and hit like. Thank you.